everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be opening up something. Let's see who it's from. Imethod. It may have been something I sent free for review or something, I don't remember. So I have not opened it yet. Let's see what I got. Very excited when I get little things like this that I don't know what it is. Ooh. He blushed, it says. I know I didn't order this or pay for it. So it says Imethod cream blush stick for blush makeup. I remember I got an email about this. I think this is something I'm supposed to review and then send them the link to my review. I think I'm supposed to go on Instagram too. So far, this is beautiful, you guys. Look at this. Look at the packaging itself. Let me see. This is really beautiful packaging, I have to say. Just to start off with, look at this. This is so pretty. I think this is beautiful. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so what is inside is right here. So it looks like it's a little blush stick, which is good because that's what I use. I don't know what color I got. I don't remember if I was able to choose my color or not. So I think I was able to choose my color because this looks like a color that I would choose. So I'm going to go ahead and just use it. Doesn't have any scent. Not that I can smell anyway. Brooklyn, stay out of my stuff. Okay, so let's see. I already have a little bit of blush on. Now I have a lot. All right, so let's go ahead and rub that in. See how well it rubs in. I'm just going to use my fingers right now. I do not have a blush brush with me. It's pretty dark, but I think it rubs in really well. I did get a little bit of a tan when I was on vacation. So Brooklyn's getting into my stuff. Brooklyn, if you don't know, is my little Yorkie. So now I've got rosy red or rosy pink cheeks. It's hard to see in the mirror as I'm looking like in the mirror of my phone, like looking at me recording. So I like it. It's not sticky. I think it's very pretty. Can't really tell. I can't really see, you know, like I said, like looking, you guys will probably see it. I'm going to, when I upload this, of course, I will see what it looks like, you know, get a better look at it. This is, the color is 02, and it's got very, very little tiny writing. Let me see what it says. I'm trying to see. It says something cherry. I'm just trying to read the bottom of this. So I'm not really able to see it very well. But it is a natural looking, it says natural looking rocks all over face blush color. This is really pretty, you guys. I love this. Wow, by Imethod. Have any of you tried Imethod before? I don't know if this is a brand new brand. Wow, I really like this. It's not, I mean, it's not tacky or sticky. It's just like any other blush stick that I've used. I mean, the high quality ones that I get in beauty boxes. So it's very nice. The packaging is beautiful, I have to say that. I mean, just this, getting it in this little tin alone was just, I mean, very, very, what's the word I see some people say? Bougie. Very, very nice. Looks expensive. Yeah, this is, I love this. Would I recommend? Yes, I would recommend. Now, as for how long it's going to last, you know, on my skin, I don't know. I really don't know because I just put it on just now. But it's like a cream blush, so I'm assuming it's going to last a long time. And yeah, I did get this free for review. I do remember that. Anybody, okay, I didn't mean to say anybody. So I did get this free for review. Thank you very much, Imethod Beauty. I greatly appreciate it. If you can, everyone, please leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have ever tried any of the Imethod Beauty products. I will leave the link to their website in my description box. And let's see what else. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Please give this video a thumbs up because I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a great day. Bye.